We love Takoradi.
What do you want to see in Takoradi? What are you expecting? What are your expectations?
I want to enjoy the real Takoradi life, man.
Hi, what's up, lovely people? It's your favorite brothers from Ghana. We are back again, and as part of our journey to the unknown, today we found ourselves inside the oil city of Ghana. Today we are live inside Takoradi. So for the next few couple of months we are here inside Takoradi, so we just had to update you. Let's take a first look at how Takoradi looks like in the year 2022. If you are new, kindly consider subscribing to our channel for us, and then if you are one of our old members, thank you for staying with us and thank you for being on this journey with us. Okay, so for the couple of days here inside Takoradi, we are going to show you around Takoradi. You just have to stay tuned and then enjoy our Takoradi videos. Somebody might be asking, where is your brother? So this is where my favorite brother is. We know we have a lot of celebrities inside Takoradi. We would want to really meet like one-on-one. Me, I have a whole long list. Even though I have the number one person I want to meet, which I am doing the search for. But aside the number one person I want to meet, the likes of SDK, Kofi Sefas, GH Gossip, link up then you go show me more things for Takoradi inside. We can talk
Takoradi
of
Takoradi life.
Mami AC, who again? Atemuda is here too much.
Papi
Kojo. I say. So many people they Takoradi we don't want to see.
Yeah,
what do you want to see in Takoradi? What are you expecting? What are your expectations?
I want to enjoy the real Takoradi life, man.
Baby bia wo hwe sa video we no me pese me ma wakwa aba e de ba pass ahin express cargo services eso se wo Ghana ana wiase afana ba bia wo hwe sa video na wo nneoma wo Dubai wo pese wo ba Dubai be fa nneoma ana obi ato nneoma wo ha o pese o de bra wo fia me ha wo hu yen die wo ha nyina so atwa nti wo hwe me dia na sa wo dwen sa de we hu a wadwendwen ni nyina so atwa de ohia ne se obefa number se wo screen na woni yen akasa na de se church obi anu ya church se ne obe ya onso wadwuma o ye no womboka nti eda masepa